incredible piece of machinery. I mean, sometimes it's quite hard to imagine the amount of work that goes into creating something as intricate as silk brocade, but here we have it. This was essentially an ancient 3D printer, the hardware being the loom itself, and the software in those millions of threads of colored silk. They were essentially programming code waiting to be executed, pixels waited to be printed by the master craftsman who sat here and created the finished product after many hours of hard work.